gosh, these are so good. Where did you get them?
I made them.
By yourself?
Well, my grandma taught me how to make them.
I wish I knew how to cook.
Anybody can cook.
You two are reminding me of a book I just read. It's called Lasagna Means I Love You. The Geneseo Middle School students have just picked it out for this year's community-wide read.
Lasagna Means I Love You is about a little girl named Mo. When her grandma dies, she is placed in foster care. During one of her placements, she discovers a scrapbook filled with family recipes.
Mo is inspired by these traditions and uses the recipes to teach herself how to cook. She begins to collect and cook recipes from all sorts of people.
Mo sees the importance of food and family. She longs for her own family and the family recipes that might be out there for her. How will Mo feed her new passion for cooking? Will she find a forever home? Read the book to find out.
Through generous donations of Kiwanis and the Geneseo Education Foundation, we are able to once again make copies of the book available for free throughout the community.
Books may be found at these hotspot locations. You can take a book and read it. When you are done, pass it to another reader, return it to the hotspot, or drop it off at GMS for redistribution.
Do you think I could get a copy of that recipe?
Maybe we could collect recipes just like Mo does in the book.
Mo has inspired us to collect and share favorite family recipes from our own community. We are going to do this 2 ways.
First, we would love for you to send us your favorite recipes to share on a special OSP Family Favorite Recipes website. We will place the link to submit your recipe in our video description and on our On the Same Page homepage.
And we would like to be able to taste everybody's favorite recipes. So we're going to host a family favorite recipes potluck at Geneseo Middle School in April, Tuesday, April 8th.
Everybody's invited to bring their favorites to share.
You can find more information about Lasagna Means I Love You, the On the Same Page program, or our recipe collecting activities on the OSP website.
We hope you will read, eat, and share with us and Mo as we kick off our 15th attempt to get all Geneseo readers
on the same page!